Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a topic that's becoming increasingly important in the world of software development, that is acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is a type of testing that ensures a software application meets the requirements specified by the stakeholders. In this video, we will discuss what is acceptance testing, why it is important, and some of the different types of acceptance testing. To do so, let's step into the video. Friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, in acceptance testing, the first point we have to understand is what is acceptance testing? Acceptance testing is a process of evaluating a software application or system to ensure that it meets the requirements specified by the stakeholders. The purpose of acceptance testing is to confirm that the system is ready for release and that it will be performed as expected in a real-world environment. Acceptance testing is performed by the stakeholders themselves or by the testing team of that client company, as acceptance testing is done by the stakeholders at the client location in real-world environment. Friends, in acceptance testing, the second point we have to focus is why is acceptance testing important? Acceptance testing is important for several reasons. First, it helps to ensure that the software application meets the needs and requirements of the stakeholders. This is important because if the software does not meet the needs of stakeholders, it will not be used or adapted. Secondly, acceptance testing helps to identify and fix defects and issues in the software before it is released into the market. This can save time and money in the long run by preventing costly reworks or recalls. Finally, acceptance testing helps to build trust and confidence in the software amongst stakeholders, users, and customers. By all these reasons, it is considered to be important. It holds a lot of importance in the STLC. Friends, in acceptance testing, the other important point we have to know is there any types in acceptance testing? If there are, what are the types of acceptance testing? Friends, there are mainly 4 types in acceptance testing. They are user acceptance testing, alpha testing, beta testing, contract acceptance testing. These are the main 4 types of acceptance testing. Friends, alpha testing. This is a type of acceptance testing performed by the developers and testers of the company which the application has been developed. The developers themselves to identify any defects or issues before the software is released to the end user. They perform one set of testing. This is called alpha testing. This testing can also be said as final testing in the company in which the application has been developed. Friends, user acceptance testing, it is also called as UAT in shortcut. This is the most common type of acceptance testing, where the end user tests the software to ensure it meets their needs and requirements. Once the software is being released to the client, at the client side is the first testing performed by the client to check the stability of the application and to check whether it meets the standards and all the requirements which they expect it to be. Friends, beta testing is a type of acceptance testing performed by a selected group of users who are considered to be experts in that application. They may be experts in developing the application, or they have a lot of experience in testing that application, or they may be the end user of that type of application. This selected group will test the software before it is going to release to the general public. This helps to identify any issues or defects that may have been missed during the early testing phases. Friends, contract acceptance testing. This type of acceptance testing is performed to ensure that the software meets the terms and conditions specified in the contract. It was signed between the vendor and the customer, or the person who had developed that application. In this contract, they have to specify some of the software should not be used, or some of the standards to be followed while developing this application. They will focus on this type of standards, whether the company which developed the application has followed it or not. Friends, we have to understand what is acceptance testing. In this slide, we'll review this acceptance testing and see one time what are the important points in acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is a crucial component of the software development process. It helps to ensure that the software meets the needs and requirements of the stakeholders, identifies and fixes defects and issues, and build trust and confidence in the software. By understanding the different types of acceptance testing, you can choose the right type of testing for your software and ensure its success. Thank you very much for watching this, and we'll see you in the next video. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.